Hey guys, another helpful video for you, I hope. This gel here, this goo, is Final Inspection Power Wheel Cleaner, or Wheel Clean, in its concentrated form. So you can buy it in the 1 litre concentrate, which you should dilute 1:1 if you're going to use it in a spray pack. Dilute it 1:1. But if you use it concentrate, you can make it into a very thick gel that dwells for a long time. Something that you can move around and use to scrub. The benefit of it dwelling for that long is that it will do a much better job of breaking down the really stubborn stuff, which this wheel had. This wheel, I don't know, it obviously wasn't cleaned as often as it should, and Wheel Cleaner didn't cut it. And we tried all sorts of beta versions and tried different stuff that normally we wouldn't use on wheels. You can use different chemicals if you've got the wheel off the car. The reason why we spend a lot of time with Wheel Clean making it safe is because not only do you spray it on the wheels when you do apply it to wheels, you spray it on brakes and other things, and you don't want it to damage other materials. It's not just 2-pack coated alloy, it is other materials. But if you have the alloy off the car, you remove those other materials and you remove the need to be so safe with your chemical. Using the gel doesn't make it any less safe. It's just too difficult to spray on because it's so thick. We ship it to you in a concentrate, or allow you to buy it in a concentrate, because it's more cost effective. But using the gel will help you achieve a much longer dwelling time, and that is what's making all the difference here. It's actually starting to clean up the wheel. So 3 or 4 cleans with Wheel Clean on the car, no go. Put some, take the wheel off the car and put some gel on the wheel and just let it sit and do its job, and all of a sudden we're getting results. Hope that helps.